There is a formula or recipe for almost everything. If you follow it, you will succeed, and if you don't follow it, you will get frustrated and very unhappy. To prove this, let's take this Rubik's Cube. If you don't have the formula how to solve it, you will most likely never solve it. But if you have the formula, you will solve it every time easily. Hi everyone, this is Alex from Automate This, and today you are going to understand the anatomy of a high converting landing page. If you watch this video till the end, you will know on what you need to concentrate and what you need to forget while building your perfect converting landing page. Also, I will share a link to the best landing page templates, which will help you create your landing pages in seconds. Okay, let's get into it. Step number 1, create a clear value proposition. 80% of people will read your headline, but will not read anything else on your page. It is only a matter of around 3 seconds. Within this tiny amount of time, people decide to read through your landing page or exit and go on. Let's start with the white cross. Step number 2, visual focus. Next to the headline, you want people to focus on something they want to look at. You can use nice headshots, product shots, videos, and so on. People should rest for a few seconds on this visual. If there is only text, it's not going to convert as good. The higher quality you can produce, the better. Now let's fix these white corners. Step number 3, outline the benefits and features. It's not only about the features. Of course, you need to put in the most important features because people will check them out. But features are not emotional. That's one of the biggest common mistakes while building landing pages. Instead, focus on the benefits. Benefits talk directly to emotions. Most of the time, a benefit is something great, like save time or save money, and so on. And we as emotional human beings like to connect to something in a way which gives us the confidence that we will benefit from a product in an emotional way. Let's do the second layer. Step number 4, use only one call to action. Make the story clear first, then show the call to action. If you show the call to action too early or too often, it gets worn out. Let them dive into your offer first, then present the call to action. Now let's do the yellow cross. Step 5, provide social proof. If you let somebody else than yourself telling the visitor that you are legit and your product does what it says, you are better off. People are more likely to believe you and the information on your landing page if somebody from outside your company talks about it in a positive way. Look at Amazon, Walmart, or eBay. Everybody relies on reviews and testimonials. It simply works. Otherwise, nobody would use it. Step number 6, give a guarantee. Make it easier for people to sign up and test what you're offering them. The guarantee shows them that you care about them and their happiness. If there is a problem, help them solve it and they will be thankful and stick to your product. It saves you time and creates a good user experience. Let's adjust the yellow corners. This is right. Nice, almost there. Before we finish this cube, let's go to step 7. Integrate storytelling. But before we talk about this, I want to show you the best app to build landing pages. Everybody knows WordPress and it only costs around $5 a month to run a website on WordPress. And the best and easiest way to create amazing landing pages, course pages, websites, blog, lead generation forms, and so on WordPress is Thrive Suite. They simply have the best templates and easiest to use page builder I've ever seen. We're using it since 2016 and I would always recommend it to anybody. Check it out and use the affiliate link in the description. Okay, step 7, storytelling. People want to hear a great story everywhere. The same applies to your landing page. No matter what happens on social media platforms, on Google Ads, YouTube, etc. Telling a great story worked over thousands of years, and it will stay the same as long as humans talk and listen to each other. If you tell a great story, people will listen. Let's finish the cube. Let's do it like this. If you use this recipe for creating your landing pages, you will be winning. It's the same thing anywhere. As soon as you know how to do something, you can do it every time, easily.